Solar water pumps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. Assuming they appreciate oxygen, your fish will love the Sunspell aerator as it keeps the air moving underwater. The folding panel is small and unobtrusive, but it can also run off DC current, so you don't have to take any chances with your scaly friends' lives. It runs for 20 hours when fully charged and helps to prevent algae growth, but it doesn't hold a charge on cloudy days. At number 8, the Lewisia 2-watt may be a small unit, but it's certainly not meek. This reliable model moves up to 150 liters of water every hour that the sun is shining down on its panel. 4 heads come with your order, so you can customize the water patterns it creates. It starts automatically seconds after receiving sunshine and is easy to install or disassemble. However, it gets clogged easily. Coming in at number 7 on our list. It only works when it's actively receiving lots of direct sunlight, but at those moments, this option from Garden and Patio Power Panel can create some beautiful splashes. While it can keep fish alive, it's better suited for livening up decorative planters or rock displays. It's got a small footprint and creates a calming white noise, but it's not suitable for winter use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar water pumps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Baco Engineering Farm and Ranch can be connected to a solar panel or to a 12-volt battery, so it can always move water even at nighttime or on cloudy days. Its 26-foot lift capacity makes it suitable for use in wells or as a drainage aid. The materials resist corrosion and it's lightweight and easy to transport. However, note that a solar panel is sold separately. Moving up our list to number 5, the Lewisia 5-watt comes with 6 interchangeable spray pattern discs, so you can easily modify the look and feel of your fountain. It's also equipped with an efficient brushless DC motor that runs quietly and has a long lifespan. It includes 5 colored LED lights and a secure ground stake mount. It's made from durable ABS plastic. At number 4, the Brilliant Fountain is a stylish and attractive option that will instantly become the most talked about item in your garden. Its 6-pedal design sets it apart from other basic models, and it will look incredibly striking floating in your pool or bird bath. It can last for up to 10,000 hours and features a brushless DC pump and a very high spray. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a solariver pump kit is a good choice for the eco-minded family or business that maintains a medium-sized outdoor fountain or a smaller pond. It circulates more than enough liquid to keep an artificial waterfall flowing during the daytime. This one's good for hydroponics use and includes a removable filter for easy upkeep. It's quiet while in operation too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar water pumps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the power cord on the Lewisia Garden is 10 feet long, giving you plenty of options in terms of placing the solar panel. That makes it easier to ensure your water feature remains the center of attention rather than the panel. It's easy to clean when necessary and allows you to put your fountain in the shade. 3 suction cups keep it in place. And taking the top spot on our list, the birds in your backyard will appreciate the solatec submersible, as it can keep their fountain bubbling without any electrical buzzing to spook them. It's also a smart choice for a koi pond, as it ensures there's plenty of oxygen circulating for them. This is a budget-friendly option that offers 4 spray types, and it can function on overcast days. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki